Today I'm going to walk you through how to download ChatGPT on phone. ChatGPT is a feature that OpenAI provides you, and in the recent few months it has gained a lot of attention. To know how to use it, you must first download the application, and it is also available for your phone. Open up your Play Store or your App Store, and in the search bar search for OpenAI ChatGPT. You can see a lot of apps named ChatGPT. You would want to choose this option, which is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Tap on it. Now you can also take a look at the reviews and what other people have to say about this app. You can now tap on install, and the application will start to download on your device. After the download is complete, you will get an option of open right here. You can now tap on it. And now you can either sign up if you don't yet have an account or log in to your account of ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.